Today, we're diving into a nifty trick in DaVinci Resolve saving your color grade. Stick around for this quick tutorial, and let's get those hues just right. To start, head over to the gallery. Right here on the interface, if you're in the media pool, just click on Gallery. This opens up a treasure trove of color grading possibilities. Now, if you don't have a still album set up, no worries, you can create a new one. In my case, will just use this. Double-click on your video. This opens the Grab Still feature. But here's the magic in DaVinci Resolve 18. Grabbing the still captures not just the frame, but everything applied in that frame. Click Grab Still and watch the magic unfold. Let's test it out. I'll go to my stills, and there it is, the frame we just saved. Double-click, and voila! The entire color grade is applied. Quick, easy, and a fantastic way to maintain consistency across your projects. Here's a bonus tip. If you want to start fresh, double-clicking resets all the grades. Clean slate. Now your gallery is a palette of your personalized color grades ready to elevate your projects. And there you have it. Saving and applying color grades in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up.